Fun fact, a lot of other ideas popped in my head before I thought about this fish tank thing. But then I was like, you gotta order them in terms of which ones cost the most to start and which ones are the least to start. And then I had to put this one on the least to start end of that scale. The other stuff, like flipping houses and everything, those are way more money. So I was like, let me at least start this thing. So that's what you're looking at. You're looking at my fish tank. It's currently going pretty well. We did have one fish die, but yeah. It does look kind of empty though, but we'll fill it up. Have you been thinking about a side hustle that you've never heard anyone talk about? And you're thinking, oh, let me try to think of an idea to make some money. And you stumbled on this idea, tropical fish. So here's the tank, 20-gallon tank. This is where the fish are going to be breeding, I guess. I don't like that word. But this is a 20-gallon tank. And at first I was going to fill it up from the sink with a cup of water. But then I did the math and it would be about 40 trips back and forth minimum to fill it up with cups of water from the sink. So then I just used the water from outside, and I brought the hose through the window. That's what this is, and it's coming in through the window. This is how I'm gonna fill the tank up, and then we'll put all the stuff in this. So this is where the water conditioner and everything's gonna go in to cycle the tank in here with the water from out there. Then dechlorinate, I guess. I got some of that stuff too. But yeah, this is the first day. This is the first amount of money being spent. I'm gonna put how much money I spent in the video. This is the first trip to the pet store. Little did I know this would become a place I'd be spending a lot of time looking for stuff that I need for this tank. Very expensive stuff. Because I came here buying all that stuff you just saw, and I didn't know how much the stuff in here costs. I don't know if you just saw that thing I just scrolled past. I swear it's at $89. But yeah, I came in here kind of blind. I knew what I needed for the most part, but I didn't know everything was so separated. Like these tanks came with everything in them, but there was a lot of tanks that came, what do you call it, modular, where it's all separate stuff. That's when I ended up getting with the help of the worker there, but it's just some stuff I saw in there. These ones. I didn't even notice they had clownfish in here. This is what I want to start doing next. After I get these guppy fish, the goal is to get them, breed them a few times, sell them, recuperate the money that I spent for the tank and everything, and then switch over to a saltwater setup with clownfish. I think these are all like everything's expensive. Look at these sticks. These sticks are like $15 for some tree branches, and I bought one. I bought one, and I can't even put it in the tank. For desert reptiles, I can't put the tree branch in the tank because it's gonna lower the pH of the tank water, and the fish that I have, they like high pH numbers. So yeah, I literally just have it sitting in the salt water. 20 pounds. I ended up going for $30. I think the worker helped me pick which one to use. No, I picked the black one. One of the other ones of these to put at the bottom of the tank, the substrate or whatever. Fun fact: I don't know about all of them, but this Petco does not sell dogs or cats. They only sell like these type of things, small things: birds, lizards, hamsters, guinea pigs, fish. No dogs or cats are here. I don't know why in my head I always assumed that birds cost a lot of money. I think they're like $40. They look pretty cool too. Not even that expensive. Like $40. I'm not sure how this works. This is what I ended up buying. You look at this and tell me how much you think this costs. Everything you just saw in that glass fish tank. How much money do you think that was?
Junkamaroo. What is this?
I'm home now looking at it.
What is junk?
Last chance to guess. How much money do you
And
think this
when I went
all
in there,
cost?
my
You
intention
can pause
was
if you want.
to what's happening on my phone? Wait. Anyway, my intention was to buy all this stuff for the fish because I already ordered them, and then see what happens. We're gonna keep it lidless for now, just to see what it's like. Nobody comes over here. This is by the windows, so this isn't even a high traffic area. Like the table's here, we walk on that side, so no one should be over here. And it's only 5 fish. I'll eventually get a top, but I was supposed to spend only $100. That was my limit. The closer to 100 I get, the more mad I was gonna be. What is this? What is that? 200? This is the fish stuff.
So we're starting off terrible, horribly, terribly,
Plug everything in.
horribly, terribly. If we're already starting off negative 200, remember, I need to sell these fish, and the only time you're going to make profit is after the 200, because we're negative 200 right now. So the first fish that's being sold, they don't even count. They're just trying to get back the 200. And newsflash, it actually gets higher than 200. Right now, this is like 2 weeks later. I'm recording this. Yeah, it's way past 200 now. Not really. I bought them wood and sticks, like they're monkeys.
This thing is hard to open.
This is the
I need
substrate,
like a knife or something.
aka dirt.
And it is.
I'm going to show you everything that I
20 pounds.
used in my tank. There's no,
What's it put it in here?
what's it called?
This
There's no
tank is hard to
gatekeeping
find.
here. Everything that's
I'm
in
gonna
my
do it on the
tank,
table anyway.
I'm going to show you.
Just to be
So
more.
if you want to do it,
Just to
you
give
can do it
myself
too.
more work.
I'm just warning you.
I'm gonna show.
It's
I'm
not
gonna
as
do
cheap
it.
as you think.
I'm gonna try to
and
pile up.
It's definitely a
back
headache.
or the front.
It's 100% a headache. I almost returned
put the
this
plants
stuff
in.
like 10 times. Even now, I think I'm about to make some money, and I'm still a little annoyed. This is way more annoying than I thought it would be. Like, I don't understand how people have like those more difficult fish. Like, it really is a full-time job doing this. And mine's are the easy fish. I have easy fish. So yeah, these are the easy ones. Right here, I'm just trying to make it not be flat. I didn't know this bag came with there's like liquid in there. I'm assuming that's water, but I didn't put this water here. This bag has like water stuff in it or something. But I'm trying to make it not even. They said you don't want the ground flat, so I'm trying to like make high points and low points, and you can see where they are by the puddles, like the substrate dirt, rocky dirt stuff is more higher on the corners. This is the wood I bought, and they told me to soak it in a bucket. This is the biggest bucket I have, or not biggest, but this is the bucket that I found. So I'm soaking it in here. Flash forward, it has like algae on it, so I'm not putting it in the tank right now because they said it'll like mess the filter up or something. Although I think they'll eat it because they eat everything else. They ate all the guppy grass.
To carefully slide out. Remove plastic. Oh.
These are some of the plants that I bought. They're Anubis plants, Anubis ferns or something. I wanted to look this part over again because I remember them being green, and I'm pretty sure they're both dead or dying in my tank right now. But that's probably because I don't have any fertilizer in there. But this is me taking them out here, and they are green. Got a little bit of brown on them. I repeat, I do not have any fertilizer in here, and they're not growing. I swear they're dying, but I'm gonna add fertilizer if I add any more plants to the tank. This is the heater. I swear I have parts where you can see all this stuff, but I'm not sure. If I don't, I'm gonna put it in the description. This is the light I have, because there's no lid on this tank, so you can have a lamp that sits above it, like a sunlight, I guess you'd call it. That's the heater, and the water's gonna be raised up to submerge the heater. It's stuck to the back of there. Once again, everything's gonna be in the description. Just scroll down. If I didn't show it in the video. This is where I have everything set up, and I'm starting to fill the tank up. You kind of saw a bit of it in the beginning. I'm gonna fast forward this. Like I literally had to go outside and connect the hose and have it going up and into the window, because that's where the fish tank is. The screen had to come out too. But yeah. It's pretty much the whole video, I would say, because at this point, now I'm just filling the tank up with water from the faucet. I add the stabilizer, and then this quick cycling thing. I forget what it's called. They'll be in the description too. And I just let it sit there. I let the tank sit with everything on, the filter and the heater on and everything for, I think, about a week or 2 weeks before the fish finally showed up, and then I added them to the tank after testing it. Yeah, I had to get a water testing kit to test the water to make sure it was good, I don't know, for them to go inside of there. But yeah, so this whole setup, the substrate, the 2 plants, the 2 Anubis ferns, the filter, the heater, and that light, the total equals this. I put it right here. $206. At this point, I don't have the fish, so there's no fish in this video. I'm setting up a fish tank. That's all you get. Fish tank video of me setting it up.